In this video, I'll show you what you need to do to buy Luna instantly on Binance. So step number one is to go to Binance.com. I'll leave a link in the description below which will take you to Binance.com where you can go ahead and create your account on Binance. So go ahead and click on register now. It will then ask you for your country of residence. Click confirm and then go ahead and click on create account. Here you can then enter in your email and password. You will then need to verify your email, enter in your phone number, and verify that you've entered the right phone number with a 4-digit code. Once you've done that, you will then be signed into your Binance account. All of this process takes around 2 minutes to get set up. Once you've done that process, you will then be signed into your account. Now what you can do, you can go to your profile icon here in the top right hand corner. Then go to identification, and here you're going to need to verify your identity on Binance. Now all of the big exchanges do this nowadays. You have to go ahead and complete the identity check so you can buy cryptocurrency and so you can sell them. To do this, it's done with your passport or your ID, and all you need to do is take a picture of it and then take a photo of you holding it, and it will get verified within around 5 minutes. Binance are really good at verifying your ID quickly. And anybody can do this as long as you've got ID. You don't need any technical skills or anything like that. So just go ahead and complete the steps here that it asks you for. Once you've done that, go to buy crypto in the top left hand corner, and you've then got card deposit or buy with credit or debit card. Now a card deposit is going to deposit money into your account, but this could take between 2 to 3 days for the deposit to go through. If you want to buy instantly, I'd recommend you go credit and debit card, which will take you to this window here. Now, I'm in the UK, so my currency is Great British Pounds. So I can then choose how many Great British Pounds I want to spend. I can then go to the second box here and choose what cryptocurrency I want to buy. So by default, it's on Bitcoin, but I can click on Bitcoin, then type in Luna, and I can now buy Luna. And you can see I'll receive this much Luna. We can then click continue. You can see that we are spending £20 and we're receiving this much Luna. You'll now need to add a credit card. I've already got one on my account here, but I'm going to click change card and add new card. And this is what you would do here. You would add your card just like you would do on Amazon. Once you've added your card, go ahead and click on continue. And then you can see that you're paying with your card. You can see the price of 1 Luna currently. You can see the fees, which is 40 pence. In total, we're going to spend £20. Once you're happy with that, I'm going to have to click refresh, and then I can confirm that transaction here. Once that's confirmed and I've bought it, I can go to wallet, fiat and spot, and then I'll see that balance in my account here. So for me, Luna is my highest valued coin, so it's number one for me. But if you can't find it, just go ahead and search for Luna, and then you should see it here.